Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Binance account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, to deposit money in your Binance account, all you have to do is open your application, and then from here you'll be logged into your account. Now you're going to go to your portfolio section where you can see all the currencies that you have in all types of currencies and coins. And then from here you're going to simply click on add funds. Now what you want to do is you're going to receive it through cash or through your money in general. So what you can do is you can buy it with your fiat account. Now you can choose whatever crypto you want to buy directly. So for example, if I want to buy Bitcoin, then from here we can add whatever amount we would like in our local currency. Currently it's set to HUF, Hungarian forints, but I can simply click on it and then I can switch it to USD. And then from here, as you can see, we can select to buy it for $500 and then select payment method. And then from here, as you can see, there's a credit card that's already saved and you can either select it or you can create a new one and then add it to your payment method. And then from here, you can click on confirm and it will buy it for you on your account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.